Hi students, today we are going to see the manufacturing process of cigarette, piping tobacco and cigar. First we are going to learn how cigarette is being made. We can simply say it's a shredded tobacco leaves rolled in a paper. When we go in depth, first of all the tobacco leaves need to be cured, fermented, matured, pliable. Pliable means make it soft. For that what we have to do, the fermented tobacco leaves we have to press it and you have to shred it. That shredded tobacco leaves you have to remove the extra moisture from that. For that we have to pass it through a machine called a rata fry machine. The excess moisture is being removed from that. After that you have to keep it for 1 day to 2 days to get it matured. Then it passing through the machine and from that the cigarette is being made. Hope that you understood. Simply we can say it's shredded tobacco leaves rolled in a paper, but before that we have to do certain things. First of all, we have to dry the tobacco leaves. Secondly, we have to ferment it. Then we have to mature it. Then we have to make it pliable, the soft. Then the process starts. The cigarette is being made. There are 6 types of cigarette. First one is Virginia cigarette. It's a very light one and you can smoke any time of the day. It's not that much strong. Second one is Turkish cigarette. It has aromatic flavors. At the time of curing process, flue curing, we have to add aromatic things with the wood, and when the smoke comes, the leaves gets the flavor. Or once the tobacco leaf is being dried, we have to apply the aromatic flavors on the leaves and the leaves get dried. And those cigarettes is expensive cigarettes in the world. Next one is Egyptian cigarette. That's the strongest one and normally you have to consume after you have taken your meal. Next one is mentholated, the substance which is taken from a mint family, either from a peppermint or a spearmint. And of course we know that what is mentholated cigarette, it has a mint flavor. Next one is double filtered. This is a single filter. The filter length is small. The double filter means it's almost double. The last one is filtered. This cigarette is a filtered one. Now let's see the brand names of cigarette. We have Barclay, Cool, Century, Camel, Davidoff, Dunhill, 555, Rothmans, Pall Mall, Wills Classic. It goes like we have plenty of brand names. Next one is piping tobacco. This is a pipe, and normally we have to take the tobacco leaves and it has veins. And you have to strip the leaves from the veins. Of course, the leaves are cured and fermented. Then you have to give moisture to this, so that has to be passed to a machine. Then you have to press it. That is called stobbing or panning, and you'll be getting a small pressed tobacco leaf. That to be added with this and you have to light it. In case of cigarette, you don't have to give moisture, the moisture to be removed. When it comes to piping tobacco, it's just opposite. There you have to give moisture, then you have to press it. There are different types of piping tobacco. The first one is English blend. So different tobacco leaves that is being mixed and the piping tobacco is being made. Second one is aromatic blend. For that can be a natural flavor at the time of curing you can give, or the artificial flavors you can have, and that kind of tobacco is being used to make the piping tobacco, that is aromatic blend. Next one is a Virginia blend. It's a Piping tobacco comes from US, so different areas of the leaves is being collected, and from that the typing. Next one is Virginia blend, different types of leaves, and that is being blended and that is being used to make the piping tobacco. That is the third category. Now let's see different brands of piping tobacco. We have Larsen, Stanwell, Nordings, Davidoff, Dunhill. These are the few brands of piping tobacco. Next one is how to make a cigar. I have a cigar with me. This is a cigar, and we can simply say it's a tightly bundled and rolled tobacco leaves that is called cigar. Before that, there are different steps. First of all, you have to cure the tobacco. That means you need to dry it, followed by that has to be fermented. Then cigars to be manufactured. The largest producing country is Cuba. Then the cigar has different parts. First one is filler, second one is binder, and the last one is a wrapper. Filler means it's a long leaves to be taken. That's a base, that is called a filler. Binder means the strong leaves that is able to hold the cigar should not get bent. That leaves is called binder. The last one is wrapper. Those leaves are elastic in nature and that normally grows under the shades, and that is rolled on that binder, then it's been sticked, and that's how the cigar is being made. Now let's see a few brands of cigars. Romeo and Juliet, My Father, 66, 1881, 1886, Royal Jamaican, Royal Barbados, Don Jos, Don Chicago, Don Pepe. These are the few brands of cigars. Hope that the simple way of manufacturing cigarette, piping tobacco, and the last one is cigar. That's all for today's class. See you in next class. Until then, bye.